Buying your first home in Canada is an exciting milestone. Are you dreaming of your first home in 2025? Welcome to DSR Consulting. And today, we're diving into everything you need to know to buy your first home in Canada, a step-by-step guide. Let's get started. Here are some key things to consider. Assess your budget and calculate how much you can afford. Your monthly housing costs, mortgage, property taxes, heating, should ideally not exceed 39% of your gross income. Save for a down payment. The minimum required depends on the home's price, 5% for homes under $500,000 and higher for more expensive properties. You'll also need a good credit score to support your mortgage application. Anything above 640 should work in your favor. You can explore government programs and incentives like the First-Time Home Buyer Incentive, Home Buyer's Plan, HBP, and tax credits. Consider using a tax-free savings account, TFSA, Registered Retirement Savings Plan, RRSP, or First Home Savings Account, FHSA, to save money for the down payment. Get pre-approved for a mortgage to understand your borrowing capacity and lock in an interest rate to budget your home buying. Finding a good home is sometimes challenging. Research neighborhoods, housing types, and prioritize your needs, like proximity to schools, public transport. Use online websites like Realtor.ca to get an estimate about the average price of the homes in your desirable locality. Budget for additional expenses like legal fees, land transfer taxes, if applicable, and home inspections. We would suggest budgeting for 1.5 to 2.5% of the purchase prices as closing cost. It is highly recommended that you work with a real estate agent, mortgage broker, and lawyer, or a notary to navigate the process. Buying a home can be overwhelming at times. Now let's talk about the buying process. Here's how it goes. 1. Hire a realtor. There's no fee for buyers. Hunt on Realtor.ca or other online websites to search the average price of the home you're targeting. 2. Make an offer with conditions like inspection and financing. Getting inspection done costs around $500, but at times saves you thousands. Financing clause helps you to make sure you get the required amount of mortgage to complete your purchase. 3. Once the offer is accepted and subject conditions are removed, start the process with the bank to get the mortgage application in motion. 4. Hire services of a notary or a lawyer to close the transfer process. We would recommend hiring a notary as it may be cost-effective. Avoid these rookie mistakes. Don't overspend, stick to your budget. Don't skip the inspection, it may risk a leaky roof or damaged fittings. Make budget for ongoing costs like property taxes, utility bills. These are some critical and important things to consider when buying your first home in Canada. We understand the process can be overwhelming at times, and it's important to have a chat with your realtor or your financial advisor before finalizing things. Drop your questions in the comments, and we'll be happy to address them. See you in our next video, and good luck with your first home buying in Canada.